Okay, so good morning, my lovely people. It's still your girl from Akwa Ibom Pride. Alright, so guess what? Today I'm gonna show you something so beautiful, something so unique. So, have you been wondering how to get the arrows? Those arrows that helps to point at exact position, exact word that you wanted to talk about, and you were like, where do I get this thing from? Don't worry, Aqua Ibom Pride has got you covered. Sit tight and watch the video as you're gonna learn how to get those videos from the right places to be able to use in your videos. Alright, let's go!
Okay, welcome to this video, and here is a very simple way to get your video, like to make your video and also add some arrows and make it so unique that people can actually get what you're saying and understand what you're clicking, where you're going at a particular point in time. So here is it. Now you're gonna see, you go to X Recorder. X Recorder is that particular app that will help you make your video, and here is X Recorder. Now you click on X Recorder here, you open. When it opens, this was an ad. Now you get to see floating ball. That was what I actually clicked. Alright, floating ball. Now for you to be able to point out where you are clicking and what you're doing at a particular point in time, you are going to activate this, which is called brush. You check this first row, you see brush, face cam, the face cam actually, then screenshot, then floating cam, floating ball rather. Floating ball is on and the rest are off. So I'm gonna just put on this brush. If this brush is on, you see something like this. You see another floating ball right here. So automatically we have two floating balls. Now to get to understand what I'm talking about, you're making a video. For example, I want you to click on somewhere. I want you to understand something. I'll just make you to I'll just click on this floating ball by the right side, and then I'll from here the arrow has been selected, and I'll just make sure I just show you the arrow. For example, in short, I'll just to help me make the reference as simple as possible, just get to point out some things I want, and you that's watching the video will definitely follow up, and it will be interesting and as well educative. So that's how to get your your arrows and also make your viewers follow your video in as much as you are actually making them get to understand a certain thing and get to learn. I hope you found value in this video. Do well to like, subscribe, share, follow, and see you in the next video. Thank you.
Okay, so I hope you learned something. Good, good. Please be sure to use them in your videos. Be sure to use them to do so many wonderful things and be sure to get good results. All right. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sitting tight and looking at that screen, learning something new today. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, to share, comment, and then subscribe. Bye for now. See you next week.